We are here at Second Harvest Food Bank in the kitchen, ready to taste some wonderful food. I have my taste testers with me today, Chef Laurent Zerati, glad you're here, and of course, my co-host, Tomas.
Here we are again.
I know. Our crew is in the kitchen, madly making beautiful recipes.
Yes.
We have tasted some great food.
Oh man, this season's been wonderful for tasting great food. We've gotten so many opportunities to test some different, unique things that are out of our wheelhouse.
Yeah.
Which has been a lot of fun.
Vietnam,
to say the least. Yeah.
Mexico. Gosh, it was.
Florida, you went to Florida.
I
Yeah.
did Florida to a big food fair, which was an awesome experience. Yeah.
And food is a celebration, right?
It is. It's a union.
It is.
It's what brings us together. Look at us. We're so close together.
Right.
So good, and that's what unites. It's a communion.
Exactly.
Right? It is a communion.
And we saw that in Vietnam because we were there right before Tet, which is the Vietnamese New Year.
Yeah.
It was the year of the cat, and so every store, every grocery store, every restaurant was gearing up for this fantastic celebration, and a lot of it is around food, and you give gifts of food, for the new year. And a lot of those gifts, which was the coolest thing I've ever seen, involved Washington grown products.
Yeah,
like
cherries.
Our apples, cherries, pears
The
were
wine
being boxed
also.
in with Washington wine.
Yeah.
It was really a cool thing to see.
To see all of our products held in such this high regard.
Well, and to give to your loved ones.
Yes.
Here's my gift to you, Happy New Year, and it involves Washington grown products.
Yeah. When you come back from Vietnam and you see how our products are being used there, and then you come back to where they came from. Val and I got a chance to go to this incredible pear orchard, and they made this pear bread for us that was just delicious. It was fun to be able to go out there and not only shoot Val's segment, but then to get to do some stuff with her. It was good. We had a good time out there.
We always have a good time. What's the recipe that you have
we're
developed?
talking about strawberries also in that segment, and we decided to make a very simple, basic dessert, a bread pudding. Bread pudding with white chocolate and strawberries.
Holy moly.
So, again, I think it's a good base for any bread pudding. And after, you make it your own. You like raspberries and dark chocolate? Make a dark chocolate and raspberries.
That sounds good.
Sounds good too.
Yeah.
Any fruit you can add to that recipe would be great.
And
so I invite you to
choose
create.
from.
Exactly.
Okay, let's take a look at how they make it.
Okay.
All right.
Oh man.
Here we go.
You've got me. The little strawberry action, that's one of my favorites of all time. I'm excited to try this.
I can't say that I've ever had bread pudding with strawberries in it.
Well, today is the day.
It's sweet, but it's not super sweet.
And there's white chocolate in here.
White chocolate and strawberries, yes.
It's just that blend of the textures. You get that little crunch on the top. It's this smooth and creamy in the middle, but then you got that beautiful strawberry. And you're right, it's just not too sweet.
Bread pudding to me seems like comfort food.
It is completely comfort food, yes.
Well, it's akin to the tres leches cake.
That's a comfort food.
That's a comfort food as well, yeah.
Yeah, it's like a hug.
Yeah.
It's good.
Well,
It is
that's
good.
great.
Good, huh?
He's
That's great.
I'm
surprised.
glad you enjoyed it.
Who knew? To get the recipe for Chef Laurent Zerati's white chocolate and strawberry bread pudding, visit us at wagrown.com.